Quadped that I'm working on. It's gonna be kind of like a horse, I guess. It's kind of like those robots that they already build, that run like horses. It's kind of like one of those, except it has a head and it does turn. I don't know if you can see that. So I got a head, and these are the joints. And if you look from here to the side, these would be the turning points while I'd run. Added spring feet. There's two different kinds. I got these little ones in the front, and I made these for the back. I haven't programmed it yet. Kind of looking for help online, but I designed it and 3D printed it off my DaVinci over there, and it's all 3D printed, everything here. I do want to add a good brain for it and a little camera and sensor system on it, but I'm going to replace the servos, all the servos on here, with Metal Gear servos. I'd like to get it galloping. That's what I'm trying to do. None of the connections are connected. It's just open servos all over it right now. But I'd like to gallop it, either to gallop forward or run. And kind of looking for insight on this, whether anyone thinks it's possible. Alright. Well, this is my Arduino robotics, or whatever you want to call it, video, RC video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment, share, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.